Hello all, welcome to AI with Dhruv. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you the potentiality of this Claude, right? In my previous few videos, I have already showed that how I'm creating some workflows using this Claude and how we can connect with N8 and MCP and all. You can go and watch in my short videos as well. In this video, I will tell you uh, what it can do, how it can, eliminate your data part. Like if in your company, someone is there who is doing manual data entry, then they are doing in a wrong way. Use Claude and it will save your team entire day of time. Okay, I'll tell you why. So for an example, this is what I did. I given a sheet, Excel sheet, and I asked it to compare and create a formatted sheet based on those Excel sheets, and the data is almost like 100 lines, 1500 lines, 1000 lines, and it worked properly, like in a so better way. Not only once, not only twice, again and again, multiple times. So this is what I wanted to share with you. So let me even show you some samples. This is what I was testing and trying. So you can see this is some BOQ sample that we have to upload in a software. It's not yet uploading. That's fine, I think, because I just cleared those files. So still I'll tell you. So here you can see just we have given us like file over here, then it analyzed it, not took a lot of time, and you can see it worked properly. Then it given in the proper format that I wanted. Okay, once we did it, you can see it is properly mapping as well. Okay, this is something that being mapped. So there was a unit issue, you can see, and it mapped. So there was one Excel file of more than like 1000 rows, and there was just one column issue, and in few columns only few part issues. Right here you can see, and it fixed all those things without manual looking and all, and it's very hectic and very headache, right, for anyone to check one by one in like 10,000 rows, 15,000 rows. You can imagine, right? 500 rows. So how we'll do that? You can see it worked properly and it did in a better way. Okay, like it changed RMT to RMT exactly what we needed. Not only this, then it did all the other things as well, whatever required. And along with that, you can see again it's fixing, and then I asked to create total materials. You can see 6468, this many rows, you can imagine, and then it has so many other columns as well. It processed all the data and then it cleared every single thing that we wanted. Okay, you can see that's how it's updating all the things properly the way that I wanted, and in proper standard format, not in just normal format. Along with that, it given proper here you can see as well. So just right now in few seconds ago, I was trying to discuss with user, and you can see it is structured the data in proper format. Just I given and it is structured. So you can see it's 1.1. This nothing was there. Now it is structured, and this is saving a lot of time of my team in a real time. All those people who are spending their time in data handling, data cleaning, it works amazing. It works amazing. The best part, the plan that I'm using pro version. You can use that also, but if there is a lot more use cases in your company, in that case I will recommend you can go with the max plan, so the token will not exhaust. So this is what I wanted to share, and it has a lot of more potentiality. You can see you can add with your like file, Google Drive, Gmail. You can connect any kind of things that you wanted to connect. I hope this given an idea, and how you can ask it. Just upload the file, and ask it. So if I'll upload any file from my folder, let me upload, so even you are able to see. That's great. You can see all the file already I did. Okay, if here I'll show you. Here I created all these files today itself. Just you need to upload a file and ask it. Okay, take a reference from first and create new file, and just ping. Once you will ping, it will create automatically creating all the files. These files already formatted and all. That's the reason I'm not putting as of now. Hope this video will be very beneficial, and of course you can use the models Sonnet and Opus as well. Both model. Opus will consume more tokens, but it is more better and advanced. You can use any other model. Opus is more better than Sonnet. Okay, you can use thinking model, extended thinking. If it start working, then remove it. So that is how you can tweak, and this is very useful. I hope this video you are going to love it. Comment in a below that what you want more from this Claude Code. I'll keep creating so many other videos how it can make our work so productive, no matter in which department of team you are in. You are into tech, you are into support, you are into QA, wherever you are. Okay, it is going to help you a lot. All right, thank you for watching.